Right, so hopefully you can see as the sun's up there and it's quite low because it's about 7:30 at night, and I just thought I'd do a quick little video just to do a little tour of the allotment, just to show you what I've been doing, what I have to do because it's a little bit messy and still quite a few jobs to do, but I just wanted to show you just what I've done so far and just to keep you updated really. So got the pots down here, the containers. Potatoes are doing quite well. The carrots are starting to grow, so it's not too bad because the weather's been awful. It's like for much of the country really, so it's starting to get a bit of life. Just behind them, I've got the leeks that I've just planted. I'm doing a bit of a test with this. I haven't uploaded the video yet, but the first couple of rows I've snipped them, and you can see the last few rows are a bit longer, so I'm just doing a bit of a test just to see which ones grow the best, because some people just say to snip them and others don't. So we'll see how those turn out, and I should have a video shortly with that. Behind us we've got some beetroot, got the spring onions, so they're multi-sown, the spring onions. I've got about 5 or 6 in each one, and at the back there I've got the runner beans. So I've got the netting on them because we'll get loads of pigeons and stuff over here, so just to help them, protect them a little bit. The next one along, I've got a video as well on how to make this. We've got the scaffolding netting with the hoops, so I'll pop a link below and you can obviously check that out. But we've got some broccoli, and at the back there we've got some lettuce. So that's the cut and come again type lettuce. There's a fly around it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that should be good. That's coming along quite nicely. To the left here we've got some potatoes which are doing really well. They're a lovely green colour. Not much damage on them yet, so hopefully it stays like that. And I've also done a video on how to on how to hill them up, earth them up. So I'll pop a link below as well. But yeah, they're doing well, so I've basically just been watering them once a week. Sometimes give them a liquid seaweed feed as well, so they're doing well. A little bit further on, we've just got some peas. So I sowed these in some drain pipes, some guttering. So I've got a video on that as well, so check that out. So either side I've just popped some peas in to sow, so hopefully we'll get a pretty good succession there. Yeah, so I've just planted this pumpkin. Got a pipe in it, just a little quick tip there. So if you're planting pumpkins, they're heavy feeders, so it's good if you can get some sort of like a plant pot works as well, or like a funnel or something, just so it goes right down to the root. So when you water it, you'll water it in here, so it'll be direct to the root, so it doesn't get lost on sort of hot days and things. So I'll basically fill that up. It's probably about that long, and that'll get filled right up, and I'll do that every day if it's dry like this. So yeah, and it's obviously got a couple of inches of compost and manure and stuff around it as well, and dug into the soil, because they just require loads of, they love sort of manure and things, and compost. Oh dear. Just have a look in there. Yeah, so in here I've just got some, I've got my strawberry plants in the big tubs there, and I've still got a few bits and pieces just in the little mini greenhouse there, but the majority of stuff's gone out. But it's all been dead slow just with the cold weather and stuff, so I'm hoping things are going to pick up a little bit. But yeah, so all this should get planted out anyway in time, and should all get used. So back up to the other end. Obviously it needs a good clean, still got some little projects and jobs to do. Just need to tidy up the side of here. Obviously all these bricks need to be gone, but it's getting there anyway. Just I have got a video of the transformation sort of from when I got it. I've only had it about a year, So I've sort of put together a bit of a collage kind of video just to sort of detail my progress there. So you can check that out, have a look, see what it looked like before. In this bed here, I've just planted these cabbages. Another little tip, I don't know if you can get a bit of a close-up on the thing there. So at the bottom you've got the little, you can use card, but I'm not sure what material that is. So if you just put that around the stem and any sort of, I'm forgetting what it is now, it might be the cabbage butterfly, I can't remember. So they like to lay the eggs at the bottom, the base of the stem, so that just stops it from getting to it basically. But obviously with all brassicas and stuff, you've got to basically net them, otherwise the birds and that'll just go mad and just eat them all. So all the brassicas should really be under protection. This bed, obviously we've got the onions, which are doing quite nicely now that the weather's warmed up a bit. I've got the leeks here which are ready, so I'll be picking them as well. And I've just put these into there. Got some giant sunflower seeds, so I think these were skyscrapers, the type of sunflower. So they've gone in there, so I'm doing a video on this as well. Yeah, so basically I put these sort of plastic pipes around them just to give them a bit more protection, because we've got what to call it, a peacock eye that comes in and just likes to eat everything. So giving them a little bit extra protection, so hopefully they'll be alright. And again, it helps with watering. Edit that out.
Keep it in for the laughs.
Keep it in for the laughs. Yeah, so I've got these plastic little sort of collars, pipes on them again, so obviously protects from birds and things, but also when you're watering, because these are similar to pumpkin plants, so these are really heavy feeders as well, so this has got like manure in, dug in as well. But when it comes to watering, if you fill these up, you've got an airtight seal around the bottom, so the water shouldn't seep away, so it just collects all in sort of the space around the root, so it just gets it direct to the root. Behind you here is the raspberries, which are starting to do quite well now. Not all the canes have actually started to grow, but the ones that have are doing quite well. So yeah, so this one down here is doing well. This is actually grown from the bottom there. It's nothing on the stick, but it's coming from the bottom, so that'll do. And then just the chickens at the back there. They're happy as ever. Probably think they're going to get fed.
I think that's what you do.
As bad as me.
So do you try going like that?
I just come back down to the bottom. Yeah, so got the core frame as well. I got these planted a couple of weeks ago, 2 courgette plants. They're doing quite well. So these basically get one of these a day full of water, obviously, and I'd say once a week I give them some liquid seaweed as well, especially because they're in pots, so you need to keep them well watered. And again, they're heavy feeders, so you need to just make sure they've got all the goodness and stuff. I'll be doing a video on this soon as well, so if you just want to come over here. So I made some comfrey feed, well, probably would have been 8 or 9 months ago now. So this is the last batch which I haven't opened yet. So I'll be doing a video on this, just how to do it and what sort of this, you can smell it from here. But yeah, you kind of. Yeah. So yeah, so I'll be opening that, doing a video on that and telling you exactly how I did it and stuff. So yeah, obviously that'll be coming. It'll stink like, yeah. Nice. At least it's not near the house. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. So short and sweet. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up below. I'm pretty much filming everything I do. over here with me chickens and me growing the veg and stuff. So I think I'll call that one, leave that there rather. And yeah, thanks for watching.